making traditional chicken curry today, and we start off with 2.5 tablespoons of rapeseed oil, and we will fry a cinnamon stick on our bay leaves until they start sizzling for 2 to 3 minutes. Cinnamon stick is sizzling. There's the bay leaves. We're going to pop in 4 large onions that have been cubed. This is going to make our traditional curry base. Into this I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of salt, just to soften the onions while we're cooking. I'm going to cook these now for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Right, the onions have been sweating down for 8 minutes now, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 heaped teaspoons of cumin seeds. Just let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The onions have been cooking 18 minutes now, so we're ready to put the chillies. So 4 fresh chillies, 5 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon and a half of freshly chopped ginger. Okay, so the onions have been cooking for a while now, they're nice and golden. So at this point I'm going to put in just under a tin of chopped tomatoes and mix that in. Okay, after about 5 to 7 minutes, we need to put some water in, which will help soften the onions and start making a paste. So we'll put 100 ml of water in, carry on cooking and stirring regularly. Okay, so the turka's been cooking just around half an hour now. So again, I'm going to put in 200 ml of water to keep condensing this and making a nice curry paste. Carry on cooking this probably for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then maybe just time to put the chicken in. Okay, turka's showing a nice thin layer, a nice shine of fat on it, so I'm just going to add a couple of more ounces of water, or 100 ml of water, give it another 5 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like for the chicken. So I'm going to add the chicken breast. There's 1.5 kilos of chicken breasts here that were cubed and marinated in yogurt and coriander powder last night, just a teaspoon. So now we're going to put this chicken in and just seal it in the turka. Right, so I'm just going to put a teaspoon of black cardamom powder now, just to give it a nice authentic flavour. We'll stir it in. Add 100 ml of water. And just let that cook now for half an hour. Constantly stirring it until the chicken is nice, white and tender. We may need to add a little bit more water, another 100 ml halfway through the process. Okay, so the chicken is nice and tender. I did add another 200 ml of water 10 minutes ago. You can make the sauce as thick or as thin as you like. So this is nearly done. At this point I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Mix that in. To put in now 2 teaspoons of masala. And stir that in. Cook it for another 5 minutes and then it's ready to serve.